What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to be talking about rock lights, more specifically the KC Cyclone rock lights. That's actually what I'm running on my Jeep, if you did not know that already. And I want to discuss some of the benefits and the reasons that I chose these ones. Even though the price point might be a little bit higher than some of the other options that are out there on the market, I truly think that this is an option that's well worth the money. And I'm gonna go over those details right here. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment, let me know you guys were here and watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get back with you on that. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. Wow.
Come on, wait. I do this shit with no pressure. Run up the backers and put up the extra. You cannot step up the steppers. You can't put dirt on a nigga that's clean.
So this is the KC Cyclone. This is just the white, the clear lens. But basically, I ordered two 6-packs. The 6-packs are designed for a rock light purpose. So they come with different types of brackets, all the bolts, nuts, wiring accessories, and that sort of thing to actually get them installed. And I only have 8 of them installed on my Jeep right now. At some point, I will likely add the other 4. But right now, as you see my Jeep, it has 8 rock lights under it. So if you like the look of it or want something similar, that'll kind of help you determine how many you should get. But again, the main reason that I went with these was because of the center hole for the bolt to go through. I didn't want to drill a bunch of holes into the Jeep and do that sort of thing. And actually what I found out is if you go on Amazon, the way that I mounted 6 of the 8 rock lights that are on my Jeep is actually with these magnets, and I'll link these down below. It's basically got like a rubberized coating on it, but it's a 40-pound magnet, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah, so it's a 40-pound magnet that obviously will magnetize to any metal. So when you get them installed onto the actual light, it looks something like this, with the magnet on the back, with the stud from the magnet going through the center. Put a washer and a nut on there, and it'll hold it in there very well. And then you basically can just go over to the Jeep wherever you want it, and it sticks. And then to pull it off requires a good bit of effort. It's not hard to pull off necessarily. It's like if you wanted to move it, you could. But again, I've had mine on for a couple months now, and I have not had any issues with them moving, sliding, wiggling loose, doing anything of that nature. The front 2 rock lights that I have, basically one under each front fender. I use the factory bracket that supports the fender, and took the bolt that was in there, took that out, put this in, put the bolt back through it, washer and nut on top, and was able to secure those down. And then I have one underneath each door up on the frame underneath, tucked up above the rock rails. And then in the rear, I use 2 of the L brackets that KC supplies with this kit, and was able to mount them to the side of the frame so they're up away from rocks or getting hit on anything, but that way they're in the downward position to light up the ground underneath. The other 4 that I have, I want to get some more light up front. I'm just trying to find a good place to be able to mount those and put those, something that's going to illuminate in front of the front tires. And then the last ones, I'm sure you can kind of tell there's a little dark spot right there in the rear inner fender. And I think I'm going to put 1 on each side in there. But again, with it's a magnet. My fenders are aluminum. My inner fenders are aluminum, so this won't stick to that. And I don't know if I really want to drill into it quite yet. So I'm waiting to see, kind of trying to figure out if I want to do that or not. And that's more of just for an aesthetic type of thing. It's not going to provide any more ground light than what I have in the rear. But yeah, I'm really happy with these, and that's, like I said, you don't have to drill any holes into your body, into your frame, into anything like that if you go this route with this certain style light. I'm not sure, maybe some of the other companies out there, you might be able to fit one of these magnets through, but again, it's just not centered. It's not the same look. I mean, it's a pretty slim design, so it doesn't stick down much. But yeah, so I'm really happy with these. And again, I'll link the magnets down below, so you guys can check those out. And I believe Casey actually just recently, or not too recently, but within the past couple months, released a V2, basically an updated version of these that have interchangeable lenses and that sort of thing. So if that's something you might be interested in, definitely check those out. I think they're great quality. They got a good warranty on them, and I'm not backed or paid by either company, the magnets or KC. Again, it's just me using the products and sharing with you guys what I like and what I actually put on my Jeep. And again, I know these are a little bit more expensive than some other options that are out there, but I really think that it's worth a couple extra bucks, and the quality, the brightness of them, and that sort of thing. So again, any questions, let me know down in the comments. Feel free. If you disagree with me, or if there's another option that maybe you think might be better, let me know, and that way other people that see this video are able to kind of get some other people's opinions on it. But again, as far as I'm concerned, I think these are the best rock lights on the market for Jeeps, trucks, buggies, the off-road world, or even just for looks. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.